This is the replaced HRU by Second Officer Castro. Then let's dig in.
Yeah. So we will see. This is an expire, guys. This is an expire HRU. So this is no use anymore. So we just only curious what is inside the hydrostatic release unit and how curious it us how it is activating. So Ray now is dismantling the HRU. How many bolts? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 6 bolts, huh?
Yeah, 6.
So you know this, the white one, it's water sealed.
Yeah.
Around the HRU.
So there is spring inside already pushing.
Pushing, huh?
Yes.
It's a pressure, huh?
Yes. Big, very serious pressure pushing it out. So you open gently, carefully.
Yeah. See the spring there?
This is the spring.
Yeah.
See? So this.
The blade, where's the blade? Because I saw in some video, in cartoon video.
So this one do not
There's
have.
a blade that will cut this pin.
This one will automatically break. So this one have only spring inside.
Only spring, huh?
Yeah, only spring.
And this is the waterproof seal, huh?
Yes, this is the waterproof seal.
Okay.
So this is the inside of the HRU. So let's still open more further.
Oh, you
Oops.
see? Pressure.
So, see the pressure. Boop.
Yeah. Oh, there's the blade there, huh?
This is the
Inside.
the inside.
Okay.
This is the inside. So this is the HRU. This is the inside.
Right.
So we will put it back. Already cut automatically. So this gum.
Strong pressure, huh?
Yes. This gum inside.
See the sound? You hear
See,
the sound?
already open.
Oh, yeah.
So already cut.
So this one, maybe we can use this one as spare.
Yes.
Ah, but already cut, huh?
Yes, already cut. So it automatically already cut.
That's the one that cut.
Yes.
That was cut
Yes.
by the blade inside.
Yes.
It's pressurized, huh?
Yep.
Bring back the spring.
So we
It's
can
like a
repeat.
spring of a gun, huh?
Yeah, very
Yeah.
strong. So this is it. We are putting it back. So but already cut. So that's the way it will be released when submerged.
When pressure, huh? The water.
Yeah, the water pressure.
But must be like the hole, huh? The
Yeah.
gasket must be same. See? You have to push.
Push it harder.
Okay, that's it, guys. Position, then you just connect the bolt end up.
No.
Only the bolt, huh?
Yeah.
Hold, wait. We're going to change the hydrostatic of the EPIRB. This is the new EPIRB. It's the expiring 24, year 24 and February 20. February. Yeah, correct, huh?
Yeah, February.
Okay, Ray, we're going to remove this one, the locking pin. Then easy. We bring out the EPIRB from its base. There's just going down. Then first we have to clean. This is the old one, expiring this year February. So while removing this one, we push this one. We push this metal here. Okay, Ray? Yeah, now I push. Then you can put up.
Then put on.
Yeah, okay.
And release.
Because when this one, when the EPIRB release, when the ship sink, this EPIRB will cut, and this how it will be released, like this. Check. Very fast, huh? So we clean a little bit the housing. Then we put again, and Ray will put the new one. Okay. Okay, this is the new one, huh? Now, okay. It's correct position before?
Yeah, it's correct.
It's like this,
Yes.
or not like this?
Is the correct
Correct position, huh? So we will put this one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, huh? Then we will bring back the EPIRB. Same time we can test the EPIRB, huh?
Yes, we
We can test, huh? Okay,
Yeah.
we take out.
So normally the EPIRB is test 5 minutes before or after the hour mark, but since we are changing, we can test it now.
Yeah. So we just press this one, and when you see the
Strobe light.
then it's okay. So you press.
Yes, so I will press the strobe.
You put a little down so we can see the picture. You see? Okay. It means okay, Ray, huh?
Okay lang.
Okay. So we clean again the container. No dust coming here. And also we check here that if there's some corrosion coming, huh? You see because there's it's always outside, you see it's starting to corrode, but it's when the IC here what's corroded, it will not work anymore. So we always check this one. So this is how it will be, huh? Yeah, this is the position. Okay, Ray, we put again. Is that the one? Like
Yeah.
that, or the other side?
The other side.
Be careful this one, huh, because in front, huh? In front, why is in front? Is correct?
Yep.
Okay, a little like this.
Because of this.
No, other side, huh? Other side.
So front.
Oh. Must be like that, yeah. Yeah, then there's a hole here. Okay, inserted. Okay. Then, oops, exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
Then I push a little bit so we can see the hole.
Yeah, this is the hole.
Yeah. Then Ray will insert the safety pin.
Okay.
That's it, guys. So you new third mate now, if you this will be your duty when you are first time third mate, you can know now how to replace the EPIRB, the EPIRB hydrostatic release unit. So this one we will type in the computer, same size like this, February 2024. So that's, guys. So this is second mate Castro
Third mate
and
Raymond.
third mate Raymond. See you on our next vlog. Bye.